Hi 7Xers, this is the video that goes along with online work number 15. We are still solving equations. We're getting progressively harder as we go. I know we're taking such little steps from one lesson to the next that it probably doesn't feel any harder to you, but if you look back at where we started a few weeks ago, these equations have definitely gotten more involved. We're going to do 3 equations together. We are going to revisit infinite solutions and no solutions because I know that's always a challenge for people. And we will do one word problem together. Do these problems with me. Make sure you get the same answers as me. First equation is going to be 5x plus x minus 8 equals 4 times x minus 2 plus 12. Put my line at the equal sign. I'm going to simplify the entire left side of the equation and the entire right side of the equation before I start moving things to try to get the x alone. So on the left side, I can combine my 5x plus my 1x, and this side is going to be 6x minus 8. Over here, I can distribute the 4, and I get 4x minus 8 plus 12. Notice I can also combine like terms here. I've got a negative 8 plus 12, which is a positive 4. So that's going to say 4x plus 4 equals 6x minus 8. Now that both sides are simplified as much as possible, now I can start moving things to either side and trying to get that x alone. So let's subtract 4x from both sides. You're going to get 2x minus 8 equals 4. Let's add that 8 to both sides. You get 2x equals 12. Divide by 2, and you're going to get x equals 6. And of course, you can check your answer by plugging 6 in for all the x's back in the original equation. It's important if you're checking to always go back to the original equation, because if you made a mistake going from this step to this step and you only plugged into here, you wouldn't catch your mistake. It would still check. Okay, next equation is going to be 4 times 3x minus 5 in parentheses plus 8 equals 6 times 2x minus 4 in parentheses minus 3. Again, we're going to simplify both sides of the equation as much as possible. So we're going to distribute the 4 here, and that's going to become 12x minus 20 plus 8. Over here, distribute the 6, and you get 12x minus 24 minus 3. I can combine like terms over here. Negative 20 plus 8 is negative 12, so that's 12x minus 12. On this side, negative 24 minus 3 is negative 27, so that's 12x minus 27. Now, hopefully, you're looking at that and you're saying, wait a second. How can 12x minus 12 ever give me the same answer as 12x minus 27? It can't. That's no solutions. But if you didn't notice that and you kept going and you subtracted 12x from both sides, those cancel. You get negative 12 equals negative 27. That doesn't make any sense at all. That means there's no solutions. Okay, one more equation, and then we'll do one word problem. Third equation is going to be 5 times 3x plus 2 in parentheses minus 7 plus x equals 8 times 2x plus 1 in parentheses minus 5. Again, let's simplify both sides of the equation. So this side, distribute the 5, is going to become 15x plus 10 minus 7 plus x. I can keep going here if I want and combine the 15x plus the 1x, which makes it a 16x. That positive 10 minus 7 is a positive 3, so this side simplifies down to 16x plus 3. On this side, distribute the 8, you get 16x plus 8 minus 5. Combine your like terms here, and you get 16x plus 3. So this really says 16x plus 3 equals 16x plus 3. Now, hopefully, you're stopping there and you're saying, wait a second, any number I filled in for x would make it true, because they say exactly the same thing on both sides. That's infinite solutions. But if you didn't notice that and you kept going, that's gone, that's gone. You get 3 equals 3, which is always true. And that's a sign that this has infinite solutions. All right, one more. Let's look at a word problem. This says, Carrie is twice as old as Joe, and Jane is 12 years older than Joe. Carrie's age and Joe's age combined equal Jane's age. Find each person's age. So we need to write expressions, first of all, to represent Carrie's age, Joe's age, and Jane's age. Carrie is twice as old as Joe, and Jane is 12 years older than Joe. I didn't tell you anything about Joe. So let's make Joe be X. Now, if Carrie is twice as old as Joe, then Carrie is going to be 2X. And if Jane is 12 years older than Joe, she's going to be X plus 12. Now, to write the equation, we need to use this. Carrie's age and Joe's age combined equal Jane's age. So Carrie's age plus Joe's age combined have to equal Jane's age. So now you can just fill in your expressions. Carrie we called 2X. Joe we called X. Jane we called X plus 12. Solve your equation. That's going to say 3x equals x plus 12. Subtract x from both sides. You get 2x equals 12, or x equals 6. Now, don't stop there. The question asked you to find each person's age, so go back and fill that in. If x is 6, that's Joe's age. Carrie is 2 times 6, so that's going to be 12. Jane is 6 plus 12, which is 18. Now, the best way to check yourself here is to go back to the word problem. Remember that Carrie's age and Joe's age combined were supposed to equal Jane's age. So make sure that's true. Is Carrie's age plus Joe's age really equal to Jane's age? It absolutely is. So it's a good sign that we have a good answer there. I hope this helps with today's work. Let me know if you have any questions.